At CSIRO, we innovate for tomorrow while delivering impact today. We develop new products and businesses, giving Australian manufacturing a globally competitive advantage. We create new technologies, industries and jobs for future generations of Australians. From biomedical research to 3D printing and innovative chemical processing, plus technology that could one day supply your electricity and water. CSIRO Manufacturing has more than 400 staff, exceeding 500 patents, facilities in Melbourne, Sydney and Geelong, and partnerships with over 400 businesses. Our biomedical materials translational facility creates new devices and processes to help Australia's biotech and medtech sectors grow. We're also spinning out some of our most innovative medical and pharmaceutical technologies to create new investment and economic opportunities for Australia. By making the first entirely Australian carbon fibre, we're helping create a new industry. While our Flow Chemistry Centre is opening up new markets and products for Australian companies, we're also researching revolutionary new uses for advanced next-generation materials and the manufacturing technology needed to turn into consumer products such as world-leading printable solar cells, sensors and filtering technologies. We're also providing Australian startups the technical and business support to thrive. Our Lab 22 3D Innovation Centre develops high-value metal technologies, as well as manufacturing processes, coatings, sensors and other products. We're also helping scale up the titanium metal industry and identify new markets. Through CSIRO's future science platforms, we're helping solve global challenges, while creating new economic opportunities for Australia and new research opportunities for the next generation of Australian scientists. At CSIRO, we do the extraordinary every day.